Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So as you understand, the PGCET option entry link is finally out, and this is the place where the link you can find. It's under K home KEA page, and then under admission, and then there is a PGCET 2023 folder, right? And if you go get into that folder, you will get this link mentioning PGCET 2023 first round option entry link dated 16th of January 2024. So that is the place where you have to click, and once you click there, it will take you directly to the option entry page, or it is called centralized allotment process CAP option entry, right? This is how it will look, and it will stock admission to PG courses 22-24 option entry link, and then it will ask the CET application number. So that is what you would have already saved. You have to enter that, and below that there will be type the captcha text, right? So that you have to type in and then put the submit button. So as soon as you put the submit, it will take you to the next screen. So this is the highlight of the things which are I mentioned. Is step 1, you have to use only Chrome browser or the Internet Explorer or the Firefox for better view, right? You have to use these three. And step 2, which I already mentioned, that you have to enter PGCET admission ticket number and the click submit button. Next is the step 3. So in the step 3, you will have to enter application number which is on the application form. Then it will also ask for the secret unique keyword, right, which you have got after the completion of verification document. So you have to find that secret unique keyword and you have to enter. And then it will also ask you to enter a new password. This is because it will allow you to protect it password, and it will allow you to prevent any misuse. So that is the next step, that you have to choose the new password, and then you have to enter your mobile number, you have to enter your email ID, and then you have to select the hint question from the list and type hint answer also. So this is the actual page which it will look like. So you can see, I mentioned CET number, application number, and secret key code, new password, confirm password, mobile number, hint question, hint answer. That is what is required to do login. And anytime in future also, if you want to change the password, there is a change password button, and which will ask you to put a current password, new password, and confirm, so that you can continue in that particular way. Now once you enter into that, this is the main screen. So you can see one of the sample students, Sachin, right? Welcome Sachin. See your CET number, your rank will be also displayed on the top, and then there are multiple options, like your candidates option entry, change password, candidates option entry example is also there, worksheet is also there. So these are the important things which are required to do option entry. So by the name itself, you can understand that the option entry example is the one of the most important thing which you should see and understand how it should be done. And then option worksheet is where actually you will do a sample option entry, right? Before that, you should create your option entry list on the plain paper. So once you have done it on the plain paper, it will give a correct priority order, and then you have to only type on this worksheet, right? And then save the worksheet. So let me show you the worksheet. So before that, you should also know there are two type of worksheet. One is the option worksheet, which is you have seen there, and the second one is the detail option worksheet. Option is also there, which is available. So you have to first start with the option worksheet, and then it will ask you to basically do a college wise or the course wise listing of the option entries, right? So you can see in this step 1, once you click on the link of candidates option entry, you can see it will show you two options, college wise, course wise. So if you click on the course list, then it will show you MBA and the other specialization courses. And if you click on the college list, then it will start showing on the college. So since you have already created your option entry in the plain paper, I will suggest you can go by college wise itself, and within college particular course you can select, because multiple colleges have multiple general management MBA or the pure MBA, those type of courses. And then the step 2, you have to select the discipline. Step 3, you can clearly see you have to enter option, right? Priority number like 1, 2, 3, 4. So the course on the top, you select the college and the course and then put 1 in front of them. In the second priority, you put 2 and so on, right? So once you start creating your option entry, maybe 15 options you have selected. So this is the sample it will look once you have done your priority option. This is before submission. So you can see mtech first course in the college which has code T80904, priority 1 and priority 2, and in between you can see a student can also do mtech, MCA, MBA, all the combinations. So nobody is stopping you from doing all the courses options available, and up to 999 you can do, but here it is showing 15. So this is just a sample. And once you have done it, then don't forget to save it before actual submission, right? And so you can save, you have some time available. And now this is the option where somebody wants to modify it. So once you have some saved it, but you wanted to modify it, right? So you can use the modify button. This option is also available. This is under update button, right? So see, so you see two table. Left table is basically your current option entry, and the right table, which is the table Y, is your proposed or the new option entry. So you can change also. So once you reorder it, the table X will become table Y. So this is the sample how it will look once you have done modification option also. And then don't forget to submit it. So that is the last option which you have to do. So in case you are not able to find any submit button, it is automatically submitted. So you can see it is mentioned that option recorded in the server on the last date and time of notified schedule in each round will be frozen, and only the frozen options will be considered for the allotment of seat. So in case you don't find any submit button, there is no problem at all. If you have entered it correctly and saved it also, it is stored in the server, and till the last date of option entry of round 1, it will check if you have done any modification, and that last entry will become the basis of the seat allotment, right? So basically, in summary, candidates can enter multiple course options, ME, MTech, MBA, MCA in that combination, and they can put any number of option entries based on your requirements. So that's all the update on overall process. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.